Namaskar. In previous lessons, we had learned about some Sringarik Hastaks. Today, we will learn about some more Sringarik Hastaks. Sringarik Hastaks number 5, Anjuri. And notice, it is not Anjali, which is like this. This is not Anjali, this is Anjuri. Both palms are cupped, with the little fingers of each touching the others, like that. You can do it like that, or you can do it like that, or you can do it like that, or that. You have to stare at here or here. I prefer the eyesight at here. Follow the style carefully for a better understanding. Do not bend forward or backward. Bend slightly towards the side. Keep your face calm. Keep your legs crossed. If you bend right side, then cross your left foot behind right foot and vice versa. Before we jump to the next section of this video, if you have any query or doubts regarding this section, please leave a comment below in the comment section. And also share this video amongst your groups as knowledge increases by sharing. Sringarik Hastaks number 6, Matang. Both hands move out from Utpatti position. This is the Utpatti position. From there, one going upwards here and the other downwards diagonally opposite. And the wrist turns and they stop. Stop with a jerk from here to here. The palms should be facing out. So, from Utpatti position, dha. 1, 2. Follow the style carefully for a better understanding. Hold your core strength. Eyes should follow the fingertips of the hand that you are raising up. Thumbs of both hands should be inside and fingers joined. If you have any query or doubts in this section, please leave a comment in the comment box below and also share this video amongst your group as knowledge increases by sharing. Hope you enjoyed today's class. I will be uploading a new tutorial every Sunday. So subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon and select the all option to never miss an update. You can also like, comment, share and send your feedback. For detailed online and offline classes, you can contact with me via email. You can find my email address in the description box below. So, stay connected, stay safe and keep learning happy dancing.